Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Dear students, here I am Muhammad Faruk Hossain, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal University School. And now I am going to conduct a ICT class for the students of class 8. Dear students, our today's topic is chapter 1, question answer 1 and 2. Regarding this chapter, you will get 6 question answers. So this is the first class regarding question answer. So let's try to solve the question answers. Number 1, question number 1. Ch-1 living in Dhaka would like to buy pulao rice from Dinajpur for his sister's wedding. How can he utilize ICT for this purpose? Dear students, this was the question. So let's try to solve it. The use of information and communication technology has made our life a lot easier. Now people can purchase products from home. That means by staying home, people can purchase their products by the help of information and communication technology. A lot of companies have started selling their goods online using e-commerce. Dear students, you are familiar with the term e-commerce. Okay, that means you don't need to go to the shop. By staying home, you can purchase anything. This is called e-commerce. So trading has become a lot and less time consuming. That means within a short possible of time, we can buy or sell things by staying at home. Ch-1, a resident of Dhaka, can get help of information and communication technology to buy rice from Dinajpur. For this, Ch-1 needs to find if there is any business institution that is using information and communication technology to supply rice from Dinajpur. That means Ch-1 need to search such kind of institution. He will have to go to the website of that business institution and place an order by filling up the necessary information. Okay, that means Ch-1 needs to search that institution's website and place the order by filling the necessary information. That means how much amount of rice he need or what was his placement or location. Okay, the price would be paid by credit card. Then people from that institution will deliver the pulao rice to Ch-1. Thus Ch-1 can very easily purchase pulao rice with the use of information and communication technology. Dear students, this process is very much easy, and nowadays this is an era of modern science, and you all are familiar with this term. Okay. Then number 2, question number 2. How can a doctor perform surgery on a patient remotely? That means without going to the remote area or the patient, how can a doctor perform surgery? Okay, so let's try to read the answer. The use of information and communication technology has taken the field of medication to unparalleled height. Okay, that means the advantages of ICT in medical science has brought about a revolutionary change. Okay, use of database, the popularity of telemedicine and invention of genomics has brought revolutionary changes in the field of medication. Nowadays, the field of medication is to perform different operations on sick patients from distances. That means the doctors of nowadays can provide treatment without going to the exact placement of that patient. Okay? Technology to operate with robots in absence of doctor. Okay, that means in absence of doctor, the operations can be done by robots has already started in the developed world. That means this process has already started in developed world. In this method, doctors at a distance get the robots to operate with the three-dimensional 3D pictures of the body by using information technology. Okay? Then as a result, we can get medication service even in the physical absence of an experienced surgeon. Okay? That means by doing this process, we can have such kind of facilities by the help of ICT. This method is being practiced in the developed world with the use of information and communication technology. Dear students, this was all about the answer of second number question, and you have homework number 5, question number 1. That means this is for your homework, and its submission date is 20th March 2021 at Saturday. Dear students, this was all about today's class. I hope you all have understood today's class, and this is very much easier term of today's class, and I hope this is very much easier for you. And this is the end of the class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.